Yesterday we talked about how to make a scatter plot, and today we're going to talk about different relationships that scatter plots can show us, and really the main reason we make them. So your title for today is data relationships, and then there are four different types. So positive and linear is straight up. A line can go through the middle. Negative and linear means a line can go through the middle, but down from left to right. So this is up from left to right. Negative is down from left to right. Nonlinear relationship means that a curve would best fit. So this is, I would say, positive nonlinear, and you could also have negative nonlinear. And then no relationship, where everything's just kind of scattered about. So I would like you to sketch each one of these pictures and then put the titles on the top. You don't have to put what's underneath, but I would like you to sketch a picture and label which one it was. So you need to pause and do that. When explaining the relationship, so oftentimes it'll say, what is the relationship between the data, and explain. So we'll say, whatever our x variable is, as that increases, the first one is always going to be increases. Then the other label, whatever our y is, increases if it's positive. And if it's negative, we would say decreases instead. The first one's always going to be increases. Okay? And so again, I would pause and write this slide down. Okay, so this is our first graph for today that you're going to cut and paste into your spiral. And I would say that from left to right that this is going up. I could put a line in the middle. So we're going to say that this is positive. I'm going to go ahead and type it instead. A positive linear relationship. And then we want to explain. So we'd say, as television size increases, so that's my x, whatever x is, as television size increases, price increases. Since it was positive, they're both increased, and then I use television size for my x and price for my y. Okay, so that's how you explain. All right, this is our second example for today. So I would say that this has no relationship. And then how we explain that is, as a person's age increases, you're always going to start that way. As your x value increases, the number of pets owned neither decreases or increases. Okay, so you're still using your labels. Person's age increases. You're always going to start that way. And I use my other label. There's no clear pattern. So I said neither decreases or increases. Okay, your assignment for today is a worksheet. So when you're done with your notes, which means that you have written the first two slides down and done the two graphs, you may show me, and I will give you your assignment.